In our last video, we were discussing the page number 4, and today we have to start from the same page as the last paragraph we have to do today. So let's start discussing the chapter. In our last video, we were discussing the page number 4, and today we have to start from the same page as the last paragraph we have to do today. So let's start discussing the chapter. The word conversing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. And for a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. So, what happened? Usually, Miss Pumphrey was calling dozen of time to Mr. Harriet to confirm regarding Tricky's health, how he was doing, what was his condition, and then it was very hard for Miss Pumphrey to stay away from Tricky. So what she did, Miss Pumphrey wanted Tricky to recover very fast. She started sending 2 dozen eggs every day for him. So here what she was doing, she was sending 2 dozen eggs every day for him, for Tricky. And Mr. Harriet and his partners would have 2 eggs each for breakfast. So Mr. Harriet was not giving all those diets or all those eggs to Tricky. It was not good for him. So Mr. Harriet and his staff members, they all were enjoying that eggs every day. And then to improve the quality of blood, Miss Pumphrey started even sending bottles of wine. Then it became Mr. Harriet's habit to have 2 glasses of wine before lunch and few along with it. So it was like they all were enjoying the food which was sent by Miss Pumphrey for the dog. Number of things she was sending daily. It when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and reverently drunk. So, what happened next? Miss Pumphrey started sending in brandy for, you can guess very well, for Tricky. At that time, Mr. Harriet was not able to believe that Miss Pumphrey actually wanted them to give brandy to Tricky. So they shared it amongst themselves. So it was not possible for Mr. Harriet that he would prefer a brandy for a dog. As a vet, it was seeming next to impossible for him to judge that Miss Pumphrey was sending brandy for Tricky. So what they did, Mr. Harriet, Mr. Harriet and the staff members, they shared it amongst themselves. Then what happened next? They were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. So Mr. Harriet used to feel very happy as he would start his day with the extra eggs. Then he would have a few glasses of wine in the afternoon, and then ending the day with brandy in the evening. So everybody in the surgery, everybody in the hospital, they all were enjoying the food which was sent by Miss Pumphrey for the dome. So those days were lavish days for the staff members because just due to Tricky. Tricky was there in the surgery and they all were enjoying the same one food. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. So, but I knew Miss Pumphrey was suffering and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. So, because of all the things that were being sent for Tricky, Mr. Harriet was really tempted, really wanted to keep him as a permanent guest at the surgery, at the hospital. He really would like to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in the surgery. So he really wanted to keep him. And he really wanted that Tricky should stay there with them forever. But then he realized that Miss Pumphrey, who was like a mother to Tricky, was really suffering and really wanted Tricky to come back soon. So Mr. Harriet was helpless regarding this. They all were enjoying, the staff members and Mr. Harriet, the food very well. But Miss Pumphrey was suffering a lot. Every day was very hard for her to live without Tricky. She was literally waiting for the dog. Finally, after 15 days, Mr. Harriet called Miss Pumphrey. So within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. The chauffeur opened the door. The chauffeur means the driver of the car opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Miss Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better?" So, what happened next? After 15 days, Tricky was ready to go back home. Mr. Harriet called up Miss Pumphrey to come to pick him up, and within a few minutes, a long black car came outside. It's written here that within a minute, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal means black car, drew up outside the surgery. So, a black metal car came in the surgery, and when the driver opened the door, Miss Pumphrey was sitting inside, and she was really very nervous as well as excited, as she was longing to see Tricky. She was asking with the nervousness in her voice that was Tricky really better, to which the doctor replied. And the doctor replied positively. Then Mr. Harriet went inside to get Tricky. Doctor said, "Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him." So doctor went inside to get Tricky out from the surgery. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. So, when Mr. Harriet went to the garden behind the house where all dogs were playing, he saw all the dogs moving round in the garden, and Tricky was sitting between them. He had recovered wonderfully in 2 weeks. His condition was very well. He had recovered from his illness. He was looking much healthier, playing with the other dogs, and his chest was touching the ground. Now he was a healthy, wealthy dog. He had become a good muscular dog within 2 weeks. When Mr. Harriet took Tricky to the front of the house, he saw that the chauffeur was still holding the door of the car, and as soon as Tricky saw his mother like a mistress, he was overjoyed. So Mr. Harriet said, "I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms." My arms means Mr. Harriet's arms, in a tremendous leap, and sailed into Miss Pumphrey's lap directly. She gave a startled "oh," and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. So, what was the scene next? So, when Mr. Harriet brought Tricky outside, he ran away and jumped into the lap of Miss Pumphrey and started licking her face. He was also overjoyed, barking in excitement. And while all this was happening, the chauffeur and Mr. Harriet got all his stuff out to the car, which had not been used during the treatment in the last 14 days. So during the excitement, I had the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, and bowls, none of which had been used. So Mr. Harriet did not use any of the stuff that was given by Miss Pumphrey. As the car moved away, Miss Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." So, when Miss Pumphrey was leaving, she leaned out of the window and said to Mr. Harriet with the tears of joy. She was so happy, she was so overwhelmed that she could not thank him enough for what he had done. She just said, "This is a triumph of surgery," meant that the treatment that was given to Tricky had been successful. Triumph means this is triumph means जीत हासिल होना, विजय होना. So she said, this is the triumph of surgery. This is the triumph of your surgery that you have done on Tricky. So this is the triumph of your surgery, Mr. Harriet. She was really very thankful to the Mr. Harriet. So this is the end of our story. I hope you all get it. Let's revise again our story. So this is our chapter, A Triumph of Surgery, written by James Alfred White. It's a story about a dog of Miss Pumphrey. She was a rich lady. She overfed the dog and the dog got ill. The dog became very fatty. The vet, Mr. Harriet, advises her to stop giving him unhealthy food, and Miss Pumphrey was helpless. She was giving all the chocolates, cakes, and brandy, and so many unhealthy foods to the dog, and as a result, the dog fell ill. His condition was very bad. Then Mr. Harriet brought the dog to the surgery, to the hospital. In the hospital, his condition started improving very fast. He started fighting for his meals with other dogs. And when Miss Pumphrey come to know that day by Tricky was recovering from illness, and then Miss Pumphrey started sending bottles of wines, dozens of eggs, and number of things every day, and all the staff members enjoyed that food all those days when Tricky was there. And after 15 days, finally Mr. Harriet called Miss Pumphrey and told her that Tricky was now recovered. Now he was out of danger. Miss Pumphrey, she was really worried about Tricky, and when she comes to know that Tricky was well, she was overjoyed, she was happy, and she came to collect Tricky. And when she was moving towards the house with Tricky, she thanked Mr. Harriet heartily, and she said that this is a triumph of surgery. Surgery which was not done by Mr. Harriet. Mr. Harriet, the vet of our chapter. So this is the end of our chapter. I hope you all got it well. You all get the chapter very well. So please now read out the whole chapter again and try to solve all the question answers of the chapter. Take care of yourself. Thank you.